Good morning, guys. It is November 10th, 2024. And the laser if you saw the other video where I replaced this laser source, it's been working perfectly. So, it's time to pull this one apart. And I thought I'd bring you all along. Warranty void seal is cut. I know there's a screw hidden under here. And there it is. And I know there's going to be another one hidden under this danger invisible laser sticker. That one's got some pretty good glue on it. And there it is. So I really don't need to save those. So you know what? I'm not going to make you watch me take all these, what is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws out. So we'll be right back. Alright, so here's the last screw. It's cold out today. It's 38 when I got in the shop this morning. And there's all kinds of goodies in here. Big old heat sink. A couple of fans. Circuit boards. Some wiring. So I'm not quite sure that there's anything in here that I'm going to be able to use for something else other than the fans, maybe. Oh, you know what? This fan kind of looks like it might be the same size as the other one that I showed you all in the other video that's noisy. So I might be able to pop in one of these. Should we pull it all the way apart? You know what, this is the top. I think what I'm going to do is, because the yellow cable comes out of the bottom, I think I'm going to put this cover back on, put a screw or two in it, flip it over, because it's basically the same setup on the other side. And these are Phillips screws too, by the way. They're the tiny ones, and it's so cold my little fingers don't want to work. I'm going to take this off the laser head. This is one of the Allen wrenches that come with the kit, or with the laser I should say. So let's have a peek as to what's in here. Boy, they got those snug. Almost like they don't want you to take it apart. That's got to have Loctite in it, or they cross-threaded it. That's really being a booger. Yeah, it's Loctite. See what the heck is going on as far as how they assemble these. It's just a interesting kind of disassembly. Got no real purpose. Can't imagine why they put Loctite on these. It's not like it's a part that vibrates and the screws may fall out. Okay. Boy, I'm glad I played that, or let it record. And we've got some magnets in there. That's why it exploded. Holy cow. These are some serious magnets. These guys are strong. I'm a little worried about smashing them if I get them next to each other. Yeah, no joke, man. These guys are the real deal. Now I'm curious. Yeah, that's a strong magnet. That's, other than a small bit that I'm using, that's a full box of, in a metal case, obviously, of drill bits. So, we have to be careful with those. Surprisingly enough, that's all that's in this side. Should we take off this side? They call it a laser aperture. Yeah, let's pull off this side and we'll be right back. So I took out the screws, but I opted to not take this apart. I did check it, and it's magnets in there as well. So it's probably going to look just like this side. And I didn't want those magnets to go ejecting and possibly break. So I took the top off the bottom, the cover off the bottom, and yeah, this is all the fiber optic stuff. And I really would have thought that this would have been encased in something protective. I mean, you would think that the light could scatter out of it. I don't know. I'm not an expert in this stuff. It was just something I wanted to pull apart and look at. But it's everywhere in here. They've got all kinds of weird bundles wound up, and some of this, like this side here, is just kind of laying. It's not in the hole. It's just, yeah, it looks very shoddy. I guess this was a pretty boring video. I don't see anything in here that's obviously burned or damaged. Why the laser was losing the power. I was kind of hoping to learn something, but I didn't. Other than, yeah, these fibers are just kind of everywhere. It's no rhyme or reason from the looks of it. Although the yellow cable here, there is just one strand going through it. So I'm guessing this is just a huge coil from the source, which is, looks like this thing here, this yellow thing, and then into the cable. So it might be time to do a little bit of research, reading, and learning, and see just how this actually does work. Alright guys, sorry. You enjoy your Sunday, and we'll talk soon. Take care.